Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram profile picture not updating. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Now after this, clear Instagram cache. Go to your phone settings and navigate to apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Here, to clear app cache, simply tap on the clear cache option at the bottom left corner. After this, restart your phone. A simple restart can fix minor glitches. Now check for Instagram updates. Simply go to the Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see any updates, simply update the app. Now completely close the app and reopen it again. Last but not the least, ensure that your image is in JPEG or PNG format and not too large. But if nothing works, contact Instagram support. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.